But today, in front of my ex-colleagues, I just want to say a few things. You see, number one, sports teaches you something which you do not learn in any university or any school. Because the idea of competing in sports is to prepare you for life, for struggle in life. The problem is that some sportsmen, when they finish their sporting career, they live in their comfort zone. They do not want to take any more challenges. And the entire experience of struggle on the sporting field, which is taught to you, is lost. Because the moment you do not take on any other challenges means that that experience which you've learned how to struggle is gone. So let me just say one thing. What did sports teach me? Sports taught me that it was not the most talented player that became a champion. It was the player who had that ability to take the knocks, who knew how to take defeat, who was not demoralized by defeat, but who learned from the bad times. Because in life, whatever you do, life is never in a straight line. It's in cycles. You will have your ups and downs in whether it is education, whether it is in business, and as Arjuna would know, in politics. It's a cycle. You have your good and your bad times. Success depends upon not how you deal with the good times, but how do you deal with the bad times. In sports, no one has ever become a champion who has not learned how to cope with when that defeat comes, when you fail. If you do not know how to cope with that, you can never become a champion. There are two ways people react to a defeat. One is they get demoralized. And when they get demoralized, they lose their dream. They give up on the dream. Second are those people who become champions who actually learn from defeat, who do not give up. But every time there is a setback in life, there are lessons to be learned. So that ability to analyze where you went wrong, and then pick yourself up and start struggling again. That is the only way you become a champion. And that's the only way anyone achieves anything big in life.